Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video lecture, I will discuss the topic, the educational philosophy of Jiddu Krishnamurti. Let us first try to understand brief life sketch of J. Krishnamurti. Jiddu Krishnamurti, commonly known as J. Krishnamurti, was born on May 12, 1895, in Madanapalli, India. His early life was closely connected with the Theosophical Society, which proclaimed him as the world teacher. However, in 1929, Krishnamurti disbanded the organization and embarked on an independent philosophical journey. He spent the rest of his life traveling the world, engaging in dialogues, and sharing profound insights until his passing on February 17, 1986. Let me now discuss the educational philosophy of J. Krishnamurti. 1. Freedom from conditioning. Krishnamurti, the highest form of intelligence is the ability to observe without evaluating. Krishnamurti's educational philosophy revolves around the idea of liberating individuals from conditioning. He emphasizes the importance of cultivating a mind free from preconceived ideas, beliefs, and societal influences. 2. Holistic learning. Krishnamurti, education is not just acquiring information but learning to live, learning about relationship, learning responsibility and awareness. Krishnamurti advocates for holistic learning that goes beyond the mere acquisition of information. True education, according to him, involves understanding life, relationships, and developing a profound sense of responsibility and awareness. 3. Discovering self and truth. Krishnamurti, the awakening of intelligence is not an affair of education but of attention. He encourages students to embark on a journey of self-discovery and truth. Krishnamurti believes that education should lead individuals to inquire into the nature of their own minds, fostering a deep understanding of oneself and the world. 4. Mindful observation. Krishnamurti, observation without evaluation is the highest form of intelligence. Krishnamurti emphasizes the significance of mindful observation without judgment. He suggests that the highest form of intelligence is the ability to observe situations, thoughts, and emotions without immediately evaluating or labeling them. 5. Relationship-centric education. Krishnamurti, education is not merely a matter of training the mind. Training makes for efficiency, but it does not bring about completeness. Krishnamurti advocates for an education that focuses on the cultivation of right relationships. He believes that a complete education goes beyond intellectual training and includes the development of emotional intelligence and harmonious human connections. 6. Authority and conformity. Krishnamurti, real learning comes about when the competitive spirit has ceased. Krishnamurti challenges the traditional notions of authority and conformity in education. He suggests that real learning occurs when individuals move beyond the competitive spirit and are free from the influences of authority figures. 7. Living in the present. Krishnamurti, the ability to live in the present moment is a major component of mental wellness. He encourages individuals to live fully in the present moment. He believes that true education involves being fully engaged with the current experience, free from the burdens of the past or anxieties about the future. Krishnamurti's educational philosophy revolves around the idea of nurturing freedom, self-discovery, and holistic intelligence. His emphasis on mindful observation, relationship-centric education, and the pursuit of truth continues to influence discussions on the purpose and nature of education. Aims of education according to J. Krishnamurti. 1. Freedom from conditioning. The primary aim of education, according to Krishnamurti, is to liberate individuals from mental and societal conditioning. The goal is to foster minds that are free from preconceived ideas, beliefs, and influences, enabling a deep understanding of oneself and the world. 2. Holistic learning. Krishnamurti aims for holistic learning that transcends the mere accumulation of information. Education, in his view, should guide individuals to live fully, understand relationships, and develop a sense of responsibility and awareness beyond academic knowledge. 3. Discovering self and truth. The aim is to encourage students to embark on a journey of self-discovery and truth. Krishnamurti believes that education should provide a space for individuals to inquire into the nature of their own minds, leading to a profound understanding of themselves. 4. Mindful observation. Krishnamurti aims to cultivate a form of intelligence that involves mindful observation without immediate judgment. Real learning, according to him, comes when individuals can observe situations, thoughts, and emotions without the interference of evaluation. 5. Relationship-centric education. The aim is to focus on the development of right relationships. Krishnamurti believes that a complete education goes beyond intellectual training and includes the cultivation of emotional intelligence, empathy, and harmonious human connections. 6. Freedom from authority and conformity. Krishnamurti aims to challenge traditional notions of authority and conformity in education. Real learning, in his perspective, occurs when individuals move beyond the competitive spirit and are free from the influences of external authorities. 7. Living in the present. The aim is to develop the ability to live fully in the present moment. Krishnamurti believes that true education involves being fully engaged with the current experience, free from the burdens of the past or anxieties about the future. Curriculum design according to Krishnamurti. 1. Freedom-centric curriculum. Krishnamurti advocates for a curriculum that promotes intellectual freedom. It involves exposing students to a diverse range of ideas and perspectives, encouraging them to question, inquire, and explore without rigid constraints. 2. Exploration of self and consciousness. The curriculum is designed to facilitate the exploration of self and consciousness. Krishnamurti believes that education should create a space for students to understand the workings of their own minds, fostering self-awareness and introspection. Methods of teaching according to Krishnamurti. 1. Dialogue and inquiry. Krishnamurti's teaching methods involve open dialogue and inquiry. Teachers and students engage in meaningful conversations, questioning assumptions, and exploring ideas collectively. 2. Mindfulness practices. Krishnamurti encourages the incorporation of mindfulness practices into teaching. These practices may include meditation and self-reflection, aiming to develop a heightened sense of awareness and attention. 3. Non-competitive learning. The teaching approach avoids fostering a competitive spirit. Krishnamurti believes that real learning occurs when individuals are free from the pressures of competition and are focused on the joy of exploration and understanding. J. Krishnamurti's educational philosophy aims at cultivating freedom, self-discovery, and holistic intelligence. The curriculum and teaching methods align with these aims, emphasizing the development of a liberated, self-aware, and engaged individual. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shouking Bilal.